Hello. We are all well aware of the devastating toll that the COVID-19 pandemic has taken on not only the citizens of the United States, but also people all over the world. It has caused much suffering and many lives have been lost. But in addition to that, there's been a tremendous amount of devastation on the world economy and on the U.S. economy. Jobs have been lost. Persons are having to apply for unemployment compensation in record numbers. Those who track our economy say that it might take years for it to recover. And so we're faced with a dilemma at this point. How do we open up the economy once again and at the same time protect the health and safety of people? In that light, I want to offer just this one paragraph from the U.S. Bishop's Pastoral entitled Economic Justice for All. It was their pastoral published in 1986 that has to do with the U.S. economy. And it's not a political statement. It is a moral statement that economic decisions should be guided by moral considerations. And so in light of the tension that we face between opening up the economy, restoring jobs, allowing people to earn and to consume, and also protect the health and safety of all people, I offer this paragraph from the Bishop's Pastoral. Every perspective on economic life that is human, moral, and Christian must be shaped by three questions. What does the economy do for people? What does it do to people? And how do people participate in it? The economy is a human reality. Men and women working together to develop and care for the whole of God's creation. All this work must serve the material and spiritual well-being of people. It influences what people hope for themselves and their loved ones. It affects the way they act together in society. It influences their very faith in God.